Did you use the apply to each action to retrieve something, resulting in an array? And now you're wondering, oh gosh, how can I consolidate all of the results back into a single array? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I am going to show you how to flatten an array of objects into one array. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do when trying to flatten an array of objects is to understand what needs to be removed or replaced so it would be one flat array. We have an array of arrays of objects here. I need to remove the open and the close square bracket while keeping the first and the last open and close square bracket. What helps me problem solve coming from a non-developer background is to take everything one step at a time. We'll try to remove the open square bracket inside of the outer array first. We'll need to find the characters that would uniquely call out the open square bracket and then replace it without the open square bracket. The next step is to find the characters that will uniquely call out the closed square bracket and then replace it without the closed square bracket. Now that you know what needs to be replaced, it is time to put that in action. We will convert the arrays of objects into a string, then replace our uniquely called out open square bracket, and then replace it without the open square bracket. Add another replace function to uniquely call out the closed square bracket, and then replace it without the closed square bracket. Then finally, convert it back into JSON. And voila, now it is flattened into a single array. And there you have it. I hope this video is helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon to follow for more updates.